Graham David Holroyd here, and welcome to the Get Your Free Opt-in Page video. Now, just below this video, you're going to see a couple of buttons. The first one is where you're going to click to actually get started and get your free opt-in page. Now, if you are using an autoresponder and you've already set up your autoresponder, you'll see videos here. So let's say, for instance, you're using Mailing Boss with Builderall. Click here to watch the video on how to set it up, and same being for Aweber and GetResponse. But in this example, I'm going to show you how to set it up if you don't have an autoresponder. So click here to get started, and all you simply do is just follow along. So you would fill in your name, enter your email address. So for this, I'm just going to use freeoptinpage@gmail.com. And then we're going to select a niche. Now, in this example, we're going to click on Promote Free Opt-in Page. And you choose whether you would like to ask on the opt-in page whether you would like the first name. Okay, so in this example, we're going to say yes, we want to collect the first name, and we also want to collect the email address. Then you select your autoresponder. But again, for this example, we're just going to say we do not have an autoresponder, and then we're going to click on Next. Now what we want to do is select a headline. So there's going to be different headlines for the different niche that you chose. As you can see here, we chose the Promote Your Free Opt-in Page as your niche. So we get these headlines. So we're going to click on this one, new coupon code, free opt-in page to get access to this brand new software. And we're going to put in an affiliate link. So we're just going to say that freeoptinpage.com is our affiliate link. And then we're going to click on that we've read the terms and conditions. Then click on here to get your link. And it basically says we've sent the link to your email address. It's going to come from info@freeoptinpage.com, and it's going to have the subject line, your free opt-in page URL is inside. Now, keep checking your emails for hints, tips, tricks, etc., because we're also going to send you a bonus probably in about 5 minutes time. And the subject line for that bonus is welcome to freeoptinpage.com. So definitely check that out. But let's head over to our emails and I'll show you this. So as you can see, it's just popped in now. Your free opt-in page URL is inside. So we'll click on here and it basically says, hi, Graham. That's the name that I put in. You have, you have successfully created a free opt-in page that points to, and that was the affiliate link that we chose. Your URL for your free opt-in page is, so this is the URL you would copy, okay? And you send that out via email, Facebook, whatever the case may be, however you are generating traffic. And let's just click on that. So you can see the headline that we used is there as well. We requested that we wanted to get the first name or the name. So that's why you see this box here and the email address. So let's test it out. So we're going to put in name and we're going to put in an email address. We'll put in freeoptinpage@gmail.com again, and we'll click on get access, and it should direct us straight to freeoptinpage.com. There you go. It's landed straight at freeoptinpage.com because that's the affiliate link that we chose to use. Now, let me head back over to my emails. There we go. So a notification has just come through to basically say that we've received a new subscriber, because we put in that we did not have an autoresponder. So what our system does, it'll send you an email every time somebody opts in to your form, okay? And this is how it'll look. So it'll say, you have a new subscriber to your free opt-in page that points to, and that's the affiliate link that we chose. Here are the subscribers' info. So it'll give you their name, the email address, the niche, obviously the niche that you chose, their IP address, the date, the time, and the opt-in page that they came through. Because remember, you can create as many opt-in pages as you like, okay? Now, the more obviously subscribers you keep on getting, the more emails you're going to get, the more sales you are going to get. So that's how simple it is to create a free opt-in page. I'll see you in the next video.